Kevin Scow in the Weather Service's Johnston office says a team was sent today to look at damage from last evening's storm. He says there were numerous reports of tornadoes in Pocahontas, Sac, and Kasuth counties, but they have not been confirmed. Scow says that minor injuries were reported, but no deaths. Storm reports indicate that there was damage to houses, buildings, grain bins.
They got every street in the town blocked off.
Unconfirmed tornadoes were reported near Crawford, Fonda, Kyron, and Sac City.